Hey guys, it's Kurt with Rock.Hounding.Adventures. Welcome back for another video today. So today I decided, I had to come to Grand Junction regardless, but I decided to come back to the Mica Mine Bangs Canyon trailhead and see if I can find any more black tourmaline, as well hopefully some nice specimens of quartz crystal. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the trail, see what all we can find, and if I find anything cool along the way, I'll bring it back. But if you're new here, please consider liking this video, subscribing to the channel, as well as sharing this on your social media to help the channel grow. So let's go ahead and get to the trail and see y'all shortly. So if you guys are curious about what is in the Rough Canyon, select the link right here and it will take you to another video that kind of shows that area. Otherwise, we're gonna go ahead and continue down the trail. I'm just walking down the trail, right? And look at this beauty sticking out of the trail. Agatized wood. Chunk. That's beautiful. I'm gonna plant this right off the side here, and if I remember to pick it up, I'll pick it up. Otherwise, there's poop right there. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna plant it right here. Make it look like it's been there this entire time. And if I remember to get it, I'll get it. Otherwise, one of you guys can pick it up. So it's right there. So just walking down the trail, seeing this cliff right here. I thought this was really cool. So I'm gonna come up and show you. It looks like picture stone almost. You see that? Like right here. There's a nice desert scene. Super cool. I love seeing layers like this in a rock. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Super cool. Last time I was here, I didn't really show this area. I meant to. I thought I was videoing when I really wasn't. I need to get better about pronouncing words better for you guys. Because while I'm editing, I realize that sometimes I cannot even understand what I'm saying. I'll be quiet through this little area so that way y'all can enjoy the scenery and peacefulness. Let's continue down the creek bed. Different changes of scenery. Well, I'm not fully on the trail. Ooh, look at that pretty flower. Well, shoot. Like when I was out at Nancy Hanks Gulch, I lost a glove, my left glove, and when I got home, I ordered another pair, and again, I lost my left glove somewhere. I was holding it in this hand with my hammer, and I don't know where I set it down. I'm just gonna have to trace my tracks back, see if I can find it, because I have no idea where I left it. So that's a bummer. I got 2 right hand gloves. Oh man. I was just walking and realized I feel like I'm missing something. Wasn't sure what I was missing. And then it clicked. Let me know down in the comments if y'all ever lose stuff whenever you're out on a hunt. I'm sure we all do it. The main thing I always set down is my gloves, and I've set my rock pick down twice, but I didn't get very far from it. Man, it was pretty cold, and once I started hiking, I got pretty hot. So I took my sweater off. Now I'm getting cold again. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. If you guys ever come out here and you see a left-hand glove, it looks like this. If I don't find it, let me know. I'd gladly like it back. So, looks like we're approaching the Mica mine. There's some nice tourmaline in that host rock. I hope we find some today. Some that we can take back at least. Oh snap, I see a piece. Look at that beauty. It's just laying there. Oops, sorry for that. There you go. That's awesome. Nice little chunk right there. It's funny how I just say, hope we find some today. Turn around, there's some right there. Well, there's another piece right there. Oops, I dropped it. So, here's a nice piece of agatized wood. I'm gonna leave that right on that rock. Or if you guys come out here. And where was the other thing I was trying to pick up? Right there. Nice large piece of mica. And before I leave, I will be picking up some nice pieces of quartz. Ooh, look at that piece of agatized wood right there. That's pretty. Look at all that nice tourmaline. You can kind of tell, looks like somebody was probably chipping some out of here. Really cool though. Here's a nice piece with a bunch of tourmaline running through it. That's at that. That's at that right there. I'm facing that way, so one of you guys can pick it up. So it looks like there was a structure here at some point in time. Sorry, I was listening. Sounds like there's an animal over that direction. Probably a bird or a chipmunk or a squirrel. It's a bird. I don't know if y'all heard that. Trying to figure out what it was, and then it let out a noise. Do not enter. Okay, I won't enter. So, I stepped behind the line for just a second, just to check it out. I'm not really going in there though. But look at those big sheets of like schist and mica in there. That's crazy. That's the mica mine. So there's the black tourmaline. I mean, not black tourmaline. There's the mica mine over there. There's signs all around it saying danger because I think last summer some rocks fell and so forth. But across, ooh, look, there's the hummingbird in that tree. First time to see a hummingbird this year. Oh, you probably can't see it. But anyways, what I was saying was mica mine's over there. Across from it, here's another area where it's not, and there's no danger signs, but if you want to get some mica, take your rock pick and just tap it a few good times. Sorry, wasn't paying attention where I was videoing. Where am I at? There we go. Some nice specimens of mica. So here's what I kind of pulled out. Here's a nice little piece right here. Look at that piece. That's cool. So here's a nice piece of tourmaline right here. So there's some mica on it. That's a keeper. And here's a piece right here. I mean, it's kind of on this mic, the host rock, but still kind of cool. May take that. So I just pulled out the camera to show you a piece of black tourmaline I saw that I thought was a nice specimen to keep, but I lost it. Oh wait, there it is. Y'all see it? Right there. I'd say that's a keeper. Wait, there's another one right next to it. Looks like it has more quartz on it. I'll keep those two though. So there's the back side of the mine. Looks like there's a little cave right there. Ooh, what is that? There's a nice chunk in there. Oops, I'm not on camera. There we go. There's a nice chunk of tourmaline going through the host rock. I think I'll take this piece back. That's actually pretty nice. Who knows, I may chisel this piece out later. Well, I'm gonna start heading back. And I'll check in when I find some. Hey guys, so I found some pretty cool finds today, and which is like black tourmaline and some nice pieces of mica. And as I go back, I'm gonna be picking up a few pieces of quartz as well. But I hope you enjoyed this video today. I'm gonna start heading back because I'm starting to hear thunder off in the background, and I don't want to get out. I don't want to get caught out here in a thunderstorm. So I'm gonna start heading back, and once I get back to the house, I will wash everything off and have a little slideshow like normal at the very end of some photos, maybe some videos too. Again, I hope you enjoyed. If you're new, please consider liking this video, subscribing to the channel, as well as sharing this to your friends and family over on social media. It'll definitely help out the channel's growth. Yeah, so rock on, and I'll see you guys later, and have a fantastic rockin' week. Peace out. So this is fun. It's starting to hail, little pea-sized pieces of ice. I thought it was about to rain, but no. I heard thunder, so as you guys know, but fun stuff. See it bouncing off me. I had to put my sweater on my head because it was starting to hurt a little bit. I'll flip the camera around so you can see it. Ooh. There you go. All the white on the trail is little bitty pea-sized things of hell. It's peaceful. It sounds really peaceful. It's not peaceful though, being pinged in the head several times a second. But what can you do when you're out here in the middle of nature? Can't really take cover anywhere. So continue the path. Man, it got cold real quick. But look what I see, guys. Right there in the middle of the dirt. My glove. What do you know? It is. That's awesome. That's good. I don't have to buy another set. That's my glove for sure. So earlier at the beginning of the trail, I found that piece of agatized wood. That large piece is like the size of my hand, and I set it off on the side of the trail. I'm just gonna leave it there for one of you guys. So if you want to pick it up, you're welcome to it. It's definitely a good piece. I don't want to over collect, which, I mean, over collecting is listen to the thunder roar. But what I was saying was, over collecting is when you take more than you should, back with you. And I only have like probably about 25 stones with me, so it's not over collecting, but still, I like to find cool rocks, set them aside for you guys, for my subscribers that watch. So that's way it's kind of like I found this and you can have it, instead of having to do like a full-on giveaway. Just whoever comes down the trail and saw the video can pick it up. So, and here comes the rain. I like rain better than hell though. We're at the end of the trail, and when I get home, I'll clean everything off and make a slideshow for you guys. Enjoy. Have a rockin' week.